Hey guys, it's Big C. It's January 1st, Tuesday, January 1st. Happy New Year to everybody. It's 11:47. All this stuff ended, so I'm just sitting here watching the Northern Illinois Florida State game. Decided to go ahead and do the break, so we're going to do the Absolute Football that ended tonight. Absolute Football, one box, and then 1-1. Here is the sheet. A few teams didn't sell. Chiefs, Bills, Cowboys, Falcons, Cardinals, Saints, Lions, Eagles, Chargers, Texans, Bengals, Titans, and Raiders. I believe that's it. Alright, here we go. Good luck to everyone. Absolute Football. Alright, let's go. There's one. Two, three, and the last one. That's a thick one. Thick. I don't know. We'll see how that works. Actually, all those feel kind of thick. Oh, this one's all. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got Andy Dalton for the Bengals, Eli Manning for the Giants, Ryan Matthews for the Chargers, Hall Worthy, Tom Brady, out of 100. I think he's Hall Worthy. It's pretty neat, and that's for Seattle. And then Zach Brown, numbered out of 299 for the Titans, and nobody got the Titans. That feels like a real thick one. Actually, we'll try that. We'll go that way. Those actually the last two seem really thick. Well, this one's a redemption. Mike Thomas, Jaguars. Vernon Davis, 49ers. Gronkowski, Patriots. Kellen Moore, Detroit Lions. 299. And Deer Valley. Ooh, nice one. Deion Sanders. I'll have to look that up. NFL Icon Signatures. It's either going to be the 49ers or it's going to be the Falcons. But I will look that up and find out who that goes to. Or it could be the Cowboys. So we'll figure it out. Let's see who gets that one. I just don't know. I don't know who it's going to be. Here we go. These last ones feel really thick. We got Mark Sanchez, Ray Halou Jr., Roddy White, Champ Bailey, and Hakeem Hicks, New York Giants, out of 49 for the, who got the Giants? Walnut. So Walnut got that one. And the last pack. Let's see, we got Dallas Clark, Bucks, Jordy Nelson, Packers, Donald Brown, Colts, Orson Charles, Bengals, and Michael Floyd, Cardinals. I don't know if all rookies. And nobody got the Cardinals, so I got that one too. So, there you have it. It's out of 299. All right, I will find out on that Deion Sanders, and we'll take it from there. So again, guys, I appreciate it. Keep checking out the auctions. Big C 2014. Thanks, man.